This video covers where to place the acute accent on your verbs. You can follow along in Atanasta, Chapter 2 Beta, Grammar Number 7, or Chapter 5 Alpha, Grammar Number 2. Verb accents are recessive. This means that you start at the last syllable of the word, and if the last syllable of the word is long, then the acute accent recedes to the second to last syllable. If the last syllable is short, then the acute accent recedes to the third to last syllable. So you probably figured out that you need to know what a long and a short syllable is. So in Greek, the syllable is long if it contains a long vowel, a diphthong, or a digraph. For our purposes, looking at verb endings, that means any verb ending with an omega is long, and any verb ending with an A, spelled epsilon iota, is long. A syllable is short if it does not contain one of those things. So again, for our purposes, looking at verb endings, if the syllable contains a short E, epsilon, or a short I, iota, then the syllable is short. So let's look at an example verb. I'm going to repeat your rules at the top of the slide so that you can see them as I do the example. Last syllable long, accent on second to last. Last syllable short, accent on third to last. Let me write out the paradigm without any accents, and now we can apply our rules. So the long syllables are ones that contain omega or the digraph epsilon iota, which we see in O, ace, a, and ain. So in these four words, the acute accent will go on the second to last syllable, giving us elauno, elaunes, elaune, and elaunein. Remember that the syllable is short if it does not contain a long vowel, so for our purposes, if it contains a short E or an iota. So this applies to men, te, si, e. If we add our accents to these, they go on the third to last syllable, giving us elaunomen, elauneta, elaunusi, and in the imperatives, elauna and elauneta. So now, just to say them all at once, I'll go through the indicative for you. Elauno, elaunes, elaune, elaunomen, elauneta, elaunusi. The imperative, elauna, elauneta, and the infinitive, elaunein. The end.